Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'll show you how to use twin needle. It looks like that. I'll be testing this twin needle on stretchy fabric. Looks like that. So this is the right side and this is the wrong side, nice and stretchy, and on cotton fabric. Now I'll show you how to use twin needle. First I will thread my sewing machine. So this is the bobbin and the thread goes clockwise like that. And this is bobbin case, looks like that, and I'm entering this bobbin inside in a bobbin case, so thread goes clockwise like that, and I'm entering this bobbin case inside my sewing machine, clicking that there. Next I'll change my sewing machine regular needle to twin needle. This part is very important. So this is twin needle flat side, as you can see, and on this side you can see little grooves on each needle there, so that will be facing you. So those little grooves in each needle will be facing you. So I'm adding this twin needle to my sewing machine like that, and this is how it looks. Make sure the grooves are facing you, that's very important. I'm using zigzag presser foot, so I can use twin needle for this project, and I'm just attaching that presser foot back on like that. Twin needle is prepared. Next I will add these two top threads. So I have two spool holders, but if you don't have a two spool holders you can use bobbin holder there, or you can use two bobbins on one spool holder if you don't have that, but in my case I have two spool holders, so I'll be using them. Now I'll show you how I add these two top threads on my sewing machine all along there. First I will thread this spool like that. I'm following the instructions on my sewing machine, and I'm threading this spool on the right side first. So you can see I have put on that hook and on that hook my thread. So I have put on both hooks that thread, and I'll be adding this thread on the right side of the needle like that. So you can see it's on the right side there. Next I will thread my second thread spool same way. I'm following same instructions there and there and through that little hook there. And on my sewing machine I have two little hooks on the left side, that one, and on other side on the right side. So I'm putting this thread on the left side and on the left needle. So both top threads are added now. It looks like that. Next I will get the bobbin thread, this thread on the top, so I'm entering twin needle and I'm getting bobbin thread on top, so all threads are on the top now. I'm closing my sewing machine now. All threads are threaded now. Also, if you don't have a left side little hook there, you can thread both threads through this right side hook and then add threads on each needle. So this is my thread tension on 4. This is the stitch selector. I have chosen straight stitch, and this is my stitch length number 3. Now I'll show you how I use twin needle on this stretchy fabric. I have folded this stretchy fabric in half like that, placing this fabric on the presser foot and turning my sewing machine on and sewing. So this is how it looks. So this is right side and this is the wrong side. Looks like that, nice and stretchy. Next I will try the same on this cotton fabric. If you have any questions how to use twin needle, please comment down below in a comment box. I will link my sewing machine and twin needle down below in a description box. On my next video I'll show you how to shorten t-shirt using twin needle. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you next time. Love, Anita.